So I have a small unit in Akron. I had somebody doing the floors. They did a really bad job. It's really sticky. They were supposed to be just polishing and varnishing the natural wood. So I need someone to come in here, fix this floor. It's not that big of a floor. And then I need someone to come in here and just make sure there's no paint or anything from that flooring on this kitchen flooring. And then let me see if there's anything else that I saw in here. Of course, it would need to be clean, but probably do tub glaze. And that's it. Okay.